In this video, we will go over the different ways that you can configure PixieBot. We'll cover how to format your configuration file, global and target repository configuration, and how to configure assignees. First, let's take a look at how you provide your configuration settings. All configuration settings should be contained in a single YAML file named pixiebot.yaml. Next comes where to place this file, which depends on how broadly you'd like these configurations to be applied. If you want PixieBot configured the same way across all of your repositories, you can accomplish this using global repository configuration. First, create a .github repository containing a .github directory. Then place your PixieBot YAML within the .github directory. This global configuration will then be applied to all of the repositories that you have installed PixieBot on. If you want to target an individual repository with specific configuration settings, place your PixieBot YAML in the repositories.github directory. Target repository configuration will take precedence over global repository configuration. Now, let's say you are installing PixieBot on a repository that has multiple collaborators. The Assignees configuration allows you to specify which of those collaborators PixieBot should choose from when it assigns the pull requests it creates based on its findings. To configure assignees, update your YAML file to include the usernames of the collaborators that PixieBot can assign new pull requests to. Once assignees have been configured, whenever PixieBot creates a pull request for you, it will automatically be assigned to you or one of the users provided in the configuration. That concludes this how-to guide. To learn more about PixieBot, visit our documentation at docs.pixee.ai.